Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a dispersion effect on images in Photoshop. First, I have this image. Select the image layer, go to Select menu, then Subject. Create layer via copy of it or press Ctrl+J. Hide the main image and press Ctrl+J. Then go to the filter menu, then liquefy. Select the forward warp tool and apply it like this. And hit OK. Now hold the Alt button and click on the Layer Mask button. Then, go to the Brush tool. Use this brush. Adjust the size. And apply it like this. Now show the lower image layer. Select the background color with the help of eyedropper tool. And apply brush to it. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.